Hello friends, welcome again. In last lecture we will finish completed the second metalloenzyme, that is the copper metalloenzyme, and today we are going to see the last metalloenzyme, that is the iron metalloenzyme. Iron metalloenzyme. Okay, we already know the definition of metalloenzyme. Okay, we know that metalloenzymes are in which the active site contain one or more metal atom, and iron metalloenzyme means the metalloenzyme in which the active site contain Fe atom. Active site contain Fe atom. Such a metalloenzymes are called as a iron metalloenzyme. The iron metalloenzymes are two types. These iron metalloenzymes are two types. First type is cytochrome P450. First one is cytochrome P450 and the second one is catalase. This second iron metalloenzyme is the catalase, and iron metalloenzyme in which the active site contain iron atom, which are two types. First one is cytochrome P450 and the second one is catalase. Okay, first we will see what are the cytochrome P450 and what is the function of cytochrome P450. Okay, so we will see the first iron metalloenzyme is cytochrome P450. Okay, what is cytochrome P450? Cytochrome P450 is a heme protein or it is a iron metalloenzyme. Cytochrome P450 is a heme protein or iron metalloenzyme. It is also called as a heme protein. Why it is called as heme protein, I am telling you later. Okay, it is also called as a iron metalloenzyme. Second, it has high molecular weight. It has high molecular weight. Okay, and its molecular weight is 45,000 Dalton. Molecular weight is 45,000 Dalton. Okay, so now this is the third and the last metalloenzyme, that is the iron metalloenzyme, in which the active site of enzyme contain iron atom, and these iron metalloenzymes are the two types. First one is cytochrome P450 and the second one is catalase, and we will see the first, that is cytochrome P450, which is the iron metalloenzyme or which is also called as a heme protein, and the cytochrome P450 having high molecular weight and its molecular weight is 45,000 Dalton. Okay, now listen. Here I am saying that it is called as a P450. What is this P450? It is a protein, and that 450 indicates that this pigment or this metalloenzyme give the absorption at 450 nanometer wavelength. That's why this cytochrome P450 or this pigment is called as a cytochrome P450. Okay, this pigment give or this enzyme give, this enzyme give absorption, this enzyme give absorption at 450 nanometer wavelength. So that it is called as, cytochrome P450. This pigment give the absorption at 450 nanometer wavelength. That's why it is called as a cytochrome P450 pigment or enzyme. Okay, I am saying that here this cytochrome P450 is an iron metalloenzyme, but it is also called as a heme protein. Heme is nothing but a cyclic ring of pyrrole is present, and in that cyclic ring, central atom having Fe atom, such a structure is called as a heme group. We will see after later in the next lecture. Okay, but still remember that porphyrin ring is there, which is made up of 4 pyrrole structure, and the center of that porphyrin ring iron atom is present, and such a structure is called as a heme structure or heme protein, and the cytochrome P450 is present in the porphyrin ring and it having 4 subunits. This cytochrome 450 having 4 subunits. 4 subunit. This cytochrome P450 having 4 subunit, and in this cytochrome P450 iron atom present in the center of porphyrin ring. In this iron atom present in center of porphyrin ring. Center of porphyrin ring. So it is also called heme protein. Heme protein. Okay, so in this cytochrome P450, the iron atom present in the center of porphyrin ring. That's why it is also called as a heme protein. In this iron atom, this protein in this porphyrin ring structure, the iron atom present at the center and the equatorial position are occupied by the nitrogen of pyrrole group, and the axial position is occupied by the different group. Okay, listen. I already said that the cytochrome P450 is a iron metalloenzyme, or it is also called as a heme protein. Why it is called as a heme protein? इकडे लक्ष द्या. एक पायरॉल म्हणजे काय? एक ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड आहे. ओके, ज्याच्यामध्ये एक नायट्रोजन प्रेझेंट असतो. तर अशा 4 पायरॉलची एक रिंग तयार होती, त्यालाच काय म्हणतात? पॉर्फिरिन रिंग. आणि त्याच्या सेंटर ॲटम मध्ये आपला Fe ॲटम प्रेझेंट आहे, आणि अशा स्ट्रक्चरला हिम प्रोटीन सुद्धा म्हणतात. आणि सायटोक्रोम P450 चं स्ट्रक्चर हे असंच आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये जो आयन ॲटम आहे Fe ॲटम तो पॉर्फिरिन रिंगच्या सेंटरला प्रेझेंट आहे. त्याच्यामुळे आपण त्याला काय म्हणतोय की हिम प्रोटीन. आणि सेंटर ॲटमला आयन ॲटम प्रेझेंट असल्यामुळे त्याच्या इक्विटोरियल पोझिशनला नायट्रोजन आहे कशाचे पायरोल रिंगचे आणि ॲक्सियल पोझिशन इज ऑक्युपाइड बाय द डिफरंट ग्रुप ओके इन सायटोक्रोम P450 the equatorial position occupied by nitrogen of pyrrole ring and axial position is occupied by different group okay now we will see the structure of the cytochrome P450 okay in the cytochrome P450 the iron atom present in the center of porphyrin ring that's why it is called as a heme protein or heme group and in this iron atom the equatorial position is occupied by the nitrogen of 4 pyrrole ring and the axial position is occupied by the different group now we will see the structure of this cytochrome P450 this is the center okay now here the structure of cytochrome P450 I am not draw the whole structure only the main portion of the cytochrome P450 is drawn here the 4 nitrogen of pyrrole ring is present 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 okay here these 1 2 3 4 indicate the equatorial position which is occupied by the nitrogen of pyrrole ring and the 5th position occupied by the nitrogen of histidine amino acid and the 6th position is occupied by the thionyl group so 1 2 3 and 4 indicates equatorial position fifth and sixth indicate axial position okay now we will see just structure of the cytochrome P450 which is the iron metalloenzyme or which is also called as heme protein which has high molecular weight okay that is its molecular weight is 45,000 Dalton and it having 4 subunits and in this that iron atom present in the center of porphyrin ring which is made up of 4 pyrrole and here the equatorial position is occupied by the nitrogen of pyrrole group 5th position occupied by the nitrogen of histidine amino acid and the sixth position is occupied by the thionyl group. Now the main. What is the function of cytochrome P450? The main function of cytochrome P450 is that it gives the oxidation of organic compound. The main function of cytochrome 450, the main function of cytochrome P450 is oxidation of organic compound. Oxidation of organic compound. This is the main function of cytochrome P450 is that it gives the oxidation of organic compound. Now we will see the reaction and the mechanism which is given by cytochrome P450. How this cytochrome P450 gives the oxidation of organic compound. Oxidation means addition of oxygen. Now see the reaction and mechanism. Hydrocarbon plus oxygen plus hydrogen plus 2 electrons gives alcohol. Now listen, here the oxidation of hydrocarbon takes place, and after oxidation that hydrocarbon is converted into the alcohol. Now how this reaction takes place? Now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. Here the cytochrome P450 Fe, in which oxidation state of Fe is +3 and it is in low spin state. Okay, then the addition of these hydrocarbon takes place. Fe RH. Then the addition of electron takes place, and after addition that electron added into the Fe atom, and the Fe atom is converted into the +2 oxidation state. Here it converted into the high spin complex. High spin complex. After addition of oxygen takes place. Addition of oxygen takes place. P450 Fe RH and O2. First I will write down all mechanism, after that I will explain it. Then it converted into the peroxo form. converted into the oxide form, and here alcohol is formed. Now this is the total mechanism of cytochrome P450, and the function of cytochrome P450 is what? It gives the oxidation of organic compound into the alcohol. Here आता इथे बघा सायटोक्रोम P450 की जिथे Fe ॲटमचे ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट किती आहे +3, आणि +3 ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट असल्यामुळे त्याच्यात जेवढे पण इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत मेटलमध्ये ते लोअर एनर्जी स्टेटला आहेत, आणि सगळे इलेक्ट्रॉन लोअर एनर्जी स्टेटला म्हणजे T2G मध्ये असल्यामुळे आपण त्यांना काय म्हणणार? लो स्पिन कॉम्प्लेक्स. ठीक आहे. नंतर मग सायटोक्रोम P450 मध्ये ऍडिशन कशाची झाली? हायड्रोकार्बन, दॅट इज द ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड. आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग हा सायटोक्रोम P450 कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट झाला? P450FeRH. आता हा ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड ह्याच्यामध्ये ऍड झाला, आणि ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड ऍड झाल्यानंतर इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍड होतो, आणि तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कशामध्ये ऍड होतो? Fe मध्ये. इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍड झाल्यानंतर Fe ची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट किती झाली? +3 ची +2 झाली, आणि +2 ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट झाली म्हणजे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऍड झाला, आणि तो इलेक्ट्रॉन वरच्या एनर्जी लेवलला गेला. त्याच्यामुळे आपण त्याला काय झाला? तो लो स्पिनचा कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट झाला? हाय स्पिन. कारण की हायर एनर्जी लेवलमध्ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन गेला आणि ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट चेंज झाली, +3 ची +2 हाय स्पिन झाला. त्याच्यानंतर ऍडिशन कशाची झाली? ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्युलची, कारण की ऑक्सिडेशन होते म्हणजे ऍडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सिजन होणार. इथे ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्युलची ऍडिशन झाल्यानंतर परत काय तयार झालं? सायटोक्रोम 450FeRH O2. आता ह्या कंपाऊंड मध्ये ऑक्सिजन ऍड झाला, आणि ऑक्सिजन कोणासोबत रिॲक्ट झाला? तुमचा Fe सोबत, आणि इथे जे स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म झालं आहे याला आपण काय म्हणतो? पर ऑक्झो कॉम्प्लेक्स. पर ऑक्झो कॉम्प्लेक्स. ठीक आहे. मग या पर ऑक्झो कॉम्प्लेक्स मध्ये 2 हायड्रोजन ऍड झाले, आणि 2 हायड्रोजनची रिॲक्शन ह्या एका ऑक्सिजन सोबत झाली, आणि बाहेर काय पडलं? तुमचं वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल. आणि पर ऑक्झो कॉम्प्लेक्स कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट झाला? तुमचा ऑक्साईड मध्ये, की जिथे हा ऑक्सिजन कोणासोबत रिॲक्ट होतोय? तुमच्या हायड्रोकार्बन सोबत रिॲक्ट होतोय, आणि बाहेर काय पडतं? तुमचं अल्कोहोल, आणि परत तुम्हाला तुमचा ओरिजिनल कंपाऊंड भेटला. आणि या प्रकारे ही सायकल काय होत राहते? तुमची रिपीट होत राहते. सो दिस इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ cytochrome P450 in which organic compound is converted into the alcohol. Or organic compound is nothing but the hydrocarbon, की जिथे हायड्रोकार्बनचं ऑक्सिडेशन होतं आणि ते हायड्रोकार्बन कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट होतं? अल्कोहोलमध्ये. दॅट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ cytochrome 450. Okay, so this is the first iron mechanoenzyme, cytochrome 450. Okay, P450. And its structure and its function. Okay, in next lecture we will see the second iron mechanoenzyme, that is the catalase. Okay, thank you so much for watching.